Sorry for shaking the screen, but this bushing right here is shot. Are you ready to go to the park? Alright, so today, you guys, I'll be replacing my shackle bushings on the rear of my leaf springs on my 2015 Transit 350 HD. These are the new shackle bushings. They're OEM factory shackle bushings. So I'll try to leave a link in the description for you guys. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the rear of the Transit and then take off the two wheels on the dually. I'm gonna go ahead and jack up from my tow hitch, and I'm gonna take a jack stand and go ahead and support the side that I'm working on. Just stopped at Home Depot to grab myself a 22mm open end wrench because this wasn't doing the job, and my impact gun along with my 22mm deep socket wasn't doing the job. I couldn't get it in there because there's really not that much room, and you got the brake caliper in the way. All right, so we have the hardware now taken off. You got this sitting here where that nut is. I took those out. I kept the nuts and washers together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out this bolt. All right, since we're under here and we're about to take this bolt out, you guys can see all right, I just thought about it, you guys. I don't think I even need to go ahead and take that bolt out since this bushing already loaded itself, and there's enough wiggle room that if I remove the bolt right there, going through this bracket, going through the actual shackle bushing, I'll be able to move the shackle bushing out from that bracket and be able to replace it. So this is the bracket, and looks identical. So that is the right one. The part number is BK31-5776-AA. All right, there is the bolt going through the shackle bushing. It is pretty long. It's about 5 or 6 inches long. And now this come out. Well, there it is, you guys. That's the old one. And you can definitely tell that it has been moving around. There's a side-by-side comparison. That's the new one. This is the one that I'm taking out and replacing. Doesn't look like anything is really wrong with it, but if you know, leave a comment in the comments below, because I know I had some banging in the back, and from GoPro footage I've seen that this is the culprit. So that's why I'm replacing it. Not seeing any videos on YouTube, YouTube shorts, YouTube videos, anything on these shackle bushings. So hopefully you guys like this video, because it is one of the first, like I said, I've ever seen on YouTube, and I'm hoping it helps you guys. If it does, please leave a comment in the comments below. Let me know if you guys have replaced these. What method, way did you do this replacement? Because I'm just trying to do it the easiest way possible to bring it to you guys here on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next video.